Dear finance professionals and students, welcome to podcast of Fca Deepak Rao, a practicing chartered accountant. Daily news and updates for 9 September 2024. The capital market regulator Sebi has asked private equity and venture capital funds to disclose the names of investors who have been given special terms and representation on investment committees. This move aims to ensure transparency and address concerns about differential rights that may undermine other investors' interests. IndiGo plans to significantly expand its international reach and enhance its cargo operations in the coming years as part of a broader strategy to position India's largest airline as a leading global airline by 2030. Alongside, IndiGo aims to significantly increase its cargo capabilities and introduce wide-body aircraft starting in 2027. Renew Energy Global plc is exploring multiple options to raise funds for its solar gear manufacturing business, including inducting investors. The aim would be to list the business in the next year or two to cash in on the wave of investor optimism for new energy companies in India. The company is open to inducting private equity or pension funds into equipment business before listing its wholly owned subsidiary, Renew Power, in India. A rebound in government expenditure is evident from a build-up of surplus liquidity conditions in the banking sector as the centre loosens its purse strings and injects cash into the system. The absence of the key driver of economic growth had been felt in the first quarter of the year. Analysts are of the view that Reserve Bank of India's tolerance of surplus liquidity suggests it could be gradually gearing up toward a softer monetary policy. The recent changes to GST return filing rules, as per notification number 12/2024, central tax dated July 10, 2024, are set to simplify the tax filing process for businesses and enhance transparency. These reforms will help both taxpayers and the government by improving traceability and reducing errors. The key changes include the reporting of high-value transactions, mandatory validation of bank accounts for GST registration, and allowing the reporting of negative liability which can be carried forward to the next month's return. This podcast is sponsored by Sound of CA. We share because we care. Vande Mataram, Jai Hind.